is going to be the elevator at the Howard Johnson in Niagara Falls, Ontario. It used to be an older northern elevator, but it got modernized by, I believe, Baroque elevators. This one I believe was replaced, but nonetheless it's still a nice modernization. We're not going to basement because it's staff only, so we're just going on the lobby. Lobby. 7. Okay. There are 3 elevators in this hotel. The other 2 are still original, but the cabs have been replaced.
Seventh floor, going down.
Nice view. Lobby. Inner cab view. It's a nice elevator. I particularly like this cab. I don't know what kind of elevator cab did this. I don't know what company did it, but it's actually quite nice. Stopping on 3. Before you going to?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Okay. Capacity is 164 grams.
Going down.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
There's the elevator, and that's it.